Did you know you can turn AI-generated images into a revenue stream? I'll walk you through the best platforms and the simple steps you need to start selling today. Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make the most of the images you create using AI. Whether that you use them or even you want to create them for the purpose of selling them. I'll also point you to the best sites that still accept AI-generated images and show you how to flag those images as AI-generated so you know exactly where to list them. Just follow or subscribe, and we'll dive right in. Before you can sell AI-generated images, you must have full rights to do so. This means that free AI-generated images are typically licensed for personal use only and can't be sold commercially. You can sell images that you created with a paid subscription, provided the service's terms grant you commercial rights. Always review the licensing terms of the AI tool you use to ensure you're complying with its legal requirements. This is not legal advice. Always review the tool's terms of use to confirm your rights. Once you've confirmed you have the right to sell, Vecteezy is a great platform to start offering your content. If you're not yet a contributor but want to become one, check out the tutorial on my YouTube channel, Facebook, or TikTok. After you become a contributor and upload an image to the platform, to flag this image as AI-generated when submitting it for review on Vecteezy, select the image and move to the right-hand panel. Locate the AI-generated option and enable its box. A select software field will appear. Click it. From the drop-down, choose the tool that created the image such as Midjourney, Stable Diffusion, and DALL-E. If your generator isn't listed, click Other. Then enter its name such as Adobe Firefly, and then press Enter to save. Fill in the title and keywords for your image. Click Submit for review. Your image will then enter the platform's review queue, ready to be listed for sale. The next top platform is Freepik. If you're not yet a contributor but want to join, check out the step-by-step tutorial that walks you through the entire process. Once you become a contributor and upload an image to Freepik, follow the same steps. Select the image and move to the right-hand panel. Locate the Created by Artificial Intelligence option and enable its box. A base model field will appear. Click it. From the drop-down, pick the tool that generated the image, such as Adobe Firefly, DALL-E, Flux, and Freepik models. Scroll down or use the slider to explore additional models such as Google Models, GPT, Ideogram, Midjourney, Niji, Runway, Seedream, Stable Diffusion, various versions. Select the model. Enter the exact prompt you used to create the image in the provided field. Enabling this option will display an AI icon on your image preview. Fill in the remaining metadata and click Submit button. The next platform to consider is Dreamstime. If you're not yet a contributor but want to join, check out the step-by-step tutorial on my channel or account. It walks you through the entire process. Once your Dreamstime contributor account is set up and you uploaded an image to the Upload section and click on it to open the metadata panel. In the categories quick search bar, type Generative and press Enter. Select Illustrations and clip Art Generative AI. This flags the file as AI generated. Then fill in the description and image title and press Submit for commercial. The last platform is Adobe Stock, a popular choice. To become a contributor, watch the video tutorial that guides you through the process. Once your Adobe contributor account is set up and you've uploaded an image, to flag this image as AI generated on Adobe Stock, select the image and move to the right-hand panel. Locate the Created Using Generative AI Tools option and enable the box. If your image contains fictional people or property, you can enable it. Otherwise, keep it enabled. Fill in the image metadata and click Submit. That's it. If you'd like a tutorial for any specific platform on selling AI-generated images, just let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, please like, follow, or subscribe, and share your thoughts below. I'd love to hear which topics interest you most. Feel free to share this video with anyone who could benefit from using these platforms or selling content on them. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.